G'day. I don't know if I've made a clip about this before. I think I have. Either way, I'll do another one. So my drawer is not unlocking from this side here. My glove box compartment here. So it undoes from that side, but not this side here. And with a bit of force and pulling it down this way, I can get it to open. But I need to find out why that's happening. So I have a spare one that I'm going to chuck in that works perfectly fine. So we'll get this one down first and replace that. Okay, well, it looks like I've kind of messed myself up here. So that's the drawer down now. So you can see one side's working and the other side not. What I'm going to do is remove the screws from the top and put the camera a bit further back. Remove the screws from the top, take that off, and just replace that part only. So the reason being is because I've got a custom console that I've put in here, and it's not letting the glove box come down far enough to get access to the 3 screws at the back down there, and I don't want to remove that console. It's too much involved with all the wiring and everything for me radios. I've got a bit of mess down here for my radios and everything, so there's a bit too much wiring in there to be pulling that out. So I'm gonna have to do the repair while it's still in there. So I'm going to get a small screwdriver, take this off and replace that. Okay, to show you here why it failed, it's right here. So I probably should show you that there's 4 screws to remove, and then this bottom part just comes separate. I could do a quick swap, and I probably will, with this one here, just to get it going for now, and do a repair on this one. You can see I've repaired this one once before. There's just a wire there that I've twisted around the end. You can get an angle in there. As you can see in there, camera focus. Anyway, the wire's just twisted around onto that piece in there, and twisted around onto there, and it's got a bit of rust, but that doesn't matter. I'll probably do a repair similar to that over here, and we'll get this one working again for when that one fails. That's bound to, because that's original, this one isn't. And there's supposed to be a spring in here as well. There. So be careful of that. If you're pulling that part there out, be careful of that spring. So what I'll do is I'll just remove the screws from this one, replace that bottom part, and make that a working door again, and I'll repair this one. Before I go putting it back together, I'll show you what the original one looks like. So there's the, what would you call that, plastic, just like a strap that goes from that point there to that point there. That's how it looks normally, and you can see how the door, it just misses each other there. So I guess that's I can see how this part here pushes against that part there if you push that too far down, so that could be a reason why this eventually fails. But anyway, a nice wire strap there with 2 holes in it, put it down and replace that would do the trick as well. That's what I think I'm going to do over here. But I might actually look into that a little bit and see if I can do a better repair on the other one. So I'll put this in now, and you can see that both sides work on this one. Yeah, that side there and that side. We'll screw her in. Okay, and that's it. It's pretty easy to do actually. So in now and have a working door again. The biggest problem I had with before having my custom console was if you have too much weight in these glove boxes, it pushes down and then suddenly mess goes everywhere. I'm lucky to have this console that I made that stops it going any further down, so I can have that all the way down. Sometimes I like to sit the phone in there while I'm just resting, and just, you know, maybe watch something on Netflix. And the reason why a lot of time this gives away is because Like mine has the rubbers that go on here. You can see that there. I don't particularly want to pull one out to show you, but yeah, that clips onto the side there. The way to stop it is just get yourself a nice thick screw, drill a hole, or maybe use a soldering iron to melt a hole in there first, put the screw in, and then it will hit this properly, and you never have the problem of that drawer falling down any further. It's just a manufacturing fault. I think that it can get past that point and go all the way down, but to stop that from happening, I've done it on a Magna, on a Mitsubishi Magna before, exactly that. I've put thick screws in there, not long ones, just short ones, but nice and thick to go through there, and it stops that glove box from falling down any further. That's pretty much it. So hope that's hope this little clip was helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.